You have a bottle of pills on your nightstand right now. Maybe it's blood pressure medication. Maybe it's insulin. Maybe it's a tiny tablet your doctor told you that you absolutely cannot miss. And you've probably never once thought about what happens to you if the pharmacy closes. Forever. Not for a day, not for a week, but forever. In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 most common prescription drugs that become impossible to survive without the moment the power grid goes down. But more importantly, we are going to break down exactly what you can do about it right now before it's too late. Grab your gear. Let's get to work. Most of us live with a comforting illusion. We believe the medical system will always be there to catch us. You get sick, you call the doctor, they write a prescription, you drive to CVS, and your pills are ready in 20 minutes. It's simple, easy, and completely taken for granted. But here is the truth nobody tells you. That entire system depends on 3 fragile pillars: constant electricity, delicate supply chains, and functioning banks. Remove just one of those 3 things, and your life-saving medication disappears from shelves. Not weeks, not days, 72 hours. The pharmacies close first, then the hospitals freeze. Then your doctor cannot help you even if they want to. You are not as protected as you think. But don't just take my word for it. The absolute proof of this medical vulnerability isn't a theory. It's written in cold history. Up next, we are going back to look at the brutal lessons of past disasters to see what happens when the medicine cabinet runs completely dry. In August 2005, Hurricane Katrina struck New Orleans. Within 48 hours, 80% of the city was underwater. Every single local pharmacy and grocery store closed instantly. Desperate, armed panic quickly took over the empty streets. Critical medical supplies and basic foods vanished from shelves. For thousands of chronic patients, the countdown had begun. Without power, hospital life support systems simply went dark. Emergency medical evacuations quickly descended into complete chaos. Sterile clinics turned into dirty, unpowered disaster zones. Doctors stood helpless in hallways, unable to treat anyone. Thousands of sick and elderly lay on cold floors. They waited in despair for medicine that never arrived. Hundreds died in silence, not from wind, but missing pills. In 2017, Venezuela suffered a total economic collapse. Within weeks, 90% of all basic medications vanished. Desperate citizens filled the streets, begging for medicine. Thousands of sick people waited in long, hopeless lines. Underpaid doctors and nurses protested their empty supply rooms. Emergency rooms turned into chaotic, overcrowded holding areas. Life-saving cancer treatments and dialysis simply stopped completely. Power grid blackouts left entire hospitals in cold darkness. Doctors stood empty-handed, watching patients deteriorate in silence. The system had completely failed its most vulnerable citizens. A tragic warning of what happens when the medicine vanishes. So, which medications become deadly first? When the modern grid collapses, you will face physical obstacles, but the greatest threat won't be on the roads. It will be inside your own medicine cabinet. Here are the 5 most critical prescription drugs you cannot afford to be without when the world goes dark. Number 1 is insulin. If you are diabetic and insulin dependent, you are living on a countdown timer. Modern insulin is a fragile biological product grown in high-tech laboratories. It requires constant, strict refrigeration between 36 and 46 degrees Fahrenheit to remain stable. The moment the power grid fails, your refrigerator stops. Within days, your backup insulin begins to spoil and lose its potency. Without it, your body loses the ability to process glucose, forcing your system to burn its own fat for energy. Within 24 to 72 hours, a condition called diabetic ketoacidosis sets in. Your blood turns acidic, your organs begin to fail, and without a high-tech medical ICU, survival becomes physically impossible. Number 2 is blood pressure medication, specifically beta blockers. In our modern, comfortable lives, we treat high blood pressure like a minor annoyance, something we manage with a tiny pill every morning. But here is the silent danger of a grid-down world. If you suddenly stop taking your beta blockers, your body experiences what medical science calls rebound hypertension. Your heart rate spikes, your vessels constrict violently, and your blood pressure surges to dangerously high levels, far worse than before you started the medication. This sudden, massive pressure shock wave can rupture a blood vessel in your brain, triggering a catastrophic fatal stroke within days. It is a silent killer that will claim millions of lives in the first week of a collapse. Number 3 is blood thinners, such as warfarin or Coumadin. Millions of Americans rely on these drugs to prevent blood clots due to irregular heartbeats or artificial valves. If you miss even a few doses, your blood reverts to its natural thick state. Inside a body accustomed to chemical thinning, this sudden shift causes massive, rapid blood clot formation. Within a week of missing your doses, a tiny blood clot can break free, travel through your bloodstream, and lodge itself directly in your lungs or your brain. It causes a sudden, quiet pulmonary embolism or a massive ischemic stroke. You won't hear it coming. It is fast, silent, and absolute. Look, if you're the kind of person who refuses to leave your family's safety to chance, if you believe in raw, rugged preparedness and the power of analog self-reliance, then you belong here with us. Over 80% of you watching right now are new to this station. Don't lose this channel. Hit that subscribe button right now. Lock in with the Sentinel Fox, and next week we're going to break down exactly how to legally build a 90-day medication reserve without spending a fortune. That video could literally save your life. Now, back to number 4. Number 4 is seizure medication, like anticonvulsants. For individuals with epilepsy, these drugs are the only barrier keeping the electrical storms in their brains at bay. If you miss even a single dose, that protective barrier collapses. This can trigger a continuous, unstoppable loop of seizures known as status epilepticus. In a normal world, an ambulance arrives with high-dose intravenous sedatives to save you. But in a grid-down SHTF situation, with no emergency services and no hospitals open, a continuous seizure will starve your brain of oxygen, causing permanent brain damage and death within hours. Number 5 is psychiatric medication, including antidepressants and antipsychotics. Millions of people manage their daily lives with SSRIs and other psychiatric drugs, but stopping these medications cold turkey is a psychological catastrophe. It triggers discontinuation syndrome. This isn't just a bad mood. It causes physical brain zaps, extreme nausea, severe auditory hallucinations, intense paranoia, and severe psychological instability. In a high-stakes survival scenario, an abrupt withdrawal can turn a reliable, trusted family member into someone with unpredictable and dangerous behavior, tearing your survival group apart from the inside. This is the quiet, invisible medication crisis that nobody prepares for. So, what do you do with this information today? You don't panic, you take action. Step 1, write down every single medication you and your family take daily. Step 2, call your doctor and request a 90-day supply instead of 30. Most insurances cover this legally. Step 3, ask your doctor about generic alternatives that don't require strict refrigeration. And Step 4, research natural, plant-based alternatives as a strict backup, not a replacement, but a backup when the supply chain dies. You spent years building your home, your savings, and protecting your family. Don't let a single missing pill bottle undo it all. The Sentinel Fox doesn't just warn you about the invisible collapse, we give you the analog tools to survive it. Stay prepared, stay protected, and we'll see you in the next one. Sentinel out.